Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at this premium accessory, the official Samsung leather cover case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and this one's in a vibrant red. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. This isn't some cheap knockoff. This is genuine leather, and it feels fantastic in the hand. The packaging itself is simple but effective, giving you a glimpse of the case through a clear window. It arrived in perfect condition, snugly nestled inside. The listed dimensions and weight seem accurate. It's lightweight, but not flimsy, adding minimal bulk to the already substantial S20 Ultra. Interestingly, the packaging indicates it's from Spain, which adds a little international flair. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the case itself. The leather has a smooth, luxurious finish. It's not overly glossy, which I appreciate. It has a more natural, refined look. The red color is striking, a bold choice that definitely stands out. It's not a fire engine red, but more of a deep, rich crimson. The stitching around the edges is impeccable, tight, and even, further emphasizing the quality of the craftsmanship. The case fits the S20 Ultra like a glove, snug and secure. All the cutouts are precisely placed, providing easy access to the buttons, ports, and camera. The buttons themselves are covered by the leather, but they remain tactile and responsive. You don't lose any functionality with this case. One thing I particularly like is how the leather wraps around the edges of the phone, providing a slight lip for screen protection. If you happen to lay your phone face down, this lip will help prevent the screen from coming into direct contact with surfaces. Similarly, the camera cutout is slightly raised, offering some protection for the camera lenses. While this case won't make your phone completely drop-proof, it definitely adds a layer of protection against everyday bumps and scratches. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Official Samsung accessories are often a bit pricier, and this leather case is no exception. However, you're paying for quality. This isn't a case you'll need to replace every few months. The genuine leather will develop a unique patina over time, adding character and making it even more yours. If you're looking for a stylish and durable case that will protect your S20 Ultra while enhancing its premium feel, this leather case is definitely worth considering. It's a great way to add a touch of luxury to your everyday carry. The fact that it's specifically designed for the S20 Ultra is a big plus. There's no awkward fit or misaligned cutouts. It's clear that this case was made with the S20 Ultra in mind. Overall, I'm very impressed with this Samsung leather cover case. It's a beautiful, well-made accessory that offers both style and protection. If you're an S20 Ultra owner looking for a premium case, I highly recommend checking this one out. The rich red color is a statement piece, but I'm sure it's available in other colors as well if you prefer something more understated. Let me know in the comments what you think of this case and what color you choose. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.